This AI skill is relevant for students preparing for tests or exam using generative AI. Okay, in this example, I'm going to use ChatGPT, but you're free to use the other AI tools that you're familiar with. So quickly type your prompt. So as the prompt example, um, to help you to generate your study notes to prepare for test or exam. Okay, here goes the prompt. I'm preparing for my computer network exam. Please help me create a structured study note outline for each major topic. Include 1. A clear heading. 2. A list of key points of subtopics. 3. A concise, sorry, a concise summary of around 150 words explaining the topic. Okay, the next step is to upload your course module or lecture notes. So I'm going to click on upload button here and click upload from computer. I'm going to go to my cloud drive. Okay. Okay, this is the file that I'm going to upload, this PDF file here. So I'm going to select by clicking on it and click open and wait for the file to be uploaded. Okay, the file is now uploaded to ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on the submit button on the right side. Hey, now you can see ChatGPT has created my study material, organizing my lecture notes into some sort of order for me to prepare for the test or exam. Okay. So under each topic, we have the main points listed and then a summary of 150 words. Okay. So you can apply this technique to all your other course materials or your other courses to make it easy for you to study for your test or exam. Okay, the next step is to ask ChatGPT to use Microsoft Word to generate this study note outline. So type the next prompt that will help guide the AI to generate the outline for you. So I already typed the prompt here. Generate the study note using Microsoft Word and provide link for download. Okay, so I'm going to click on the submit button on the right side. And then wait for the AI to generate the outline using Microsoft Word. Okay, so ChatGPT has done that. So I'm going to uh, click on the file to download. Okay, I'm going to save the study notes file to the download folder. So click save. Okay, I'm going to go to the downloads folder on my computer. Okay, here is the file. IP percent post study notes. I'm going to open this file. enable editing. Okay, now you can see ChatGPT organized the notes into some sort of order that will make it easy for me to study. So with the topic in blue, bold blue color, and then the key points, and then I asked the AI to provide 150 words summary. So you can see here. So each topic is organized in that manner. So you can see main points, summary. Okay. Okay, now you can use this one to study for your test or exam. So you don't need to sift through heaps of lecture notes or Word or PDF documents to prepare for exam. So everything is nicely simplified for you.